Hello everybody, I'm Joe Kistel, and today we are going to fix a hole in drywall and make the wall look brand new. So first, we have the hole. So here's my first trick. What I do is I take something see-through. In this case, we're going to use a shopping bag. I put it up over the hole and I just do a light outline over the hole. I take this and I transfer this shape to the drywall. I go ahead and pencil that out on the drywall and I cut that shape. I cut it a little bit small. I basically just want it to fit in there. Well, this is where trick 2 comes in. What I do is I cut a little piece of wood. In this case, I have a scrap piece of countertop material. And I cut it just a little bit longer than the hole. I go ahead and I place it in the hole. And it doesn't have to be pretty by any means. You just want it in there. And screw it in. Now we got a backing to screw our piece of drywall to. Alright, and that beautiful piece of drywall. Okay. Alright, so there's our patch. It's not the prettiest of things, but you get the job done. Now we're going to put some tape over this. Basically all we do is we coat it on there real good. So we just paste it all over there, fill their gaps, spread it out. Okay, so here's another hole we did that's already had some time to dry. And now I'm going to take 150 grit sandpaper and I'm just going to hand sand it. I'm going to wrap it around this old sanding block and go ahead and sand it. And all we need to do now is come back and paint over it, and voila, we've got a wall that's good as new. Thanks again for watching, guys. Again, I'm Joe Kistel, and I hope this helps you out.